everybody, today we will learn about the Terraform taint and how to use Terraform taints. First, we will need to understand the definition about the Terraform taint from HashiCorp. So what is the Terraform taint? Okay, the Terraform taint command will inform the Terraform that a particular object has become degraded or damaged. And they will mark the object as the taint in the Terraform state, and in the next Terraform plane applies, it will evolve to replace it. So what the syntax to use? Okay, you will run the Terraform stand some option, and you will have to push the rest of your identifier of your resources. Okay, let's practice. So you can see my code-based Terraform, and it's very simple. It will have the AWS VPC, subnet, key pair, security group, and module EC2 instance. So I will replace the EC2 instance, and I will mark taint for it to see what happened. So you can see here that I will apply this code base. For the EC2 instance, it will take 1 minute to finish. So what's the use case we will use this Terraform taint? Sometimes when you see that your resources has them or has degraded, or you want to running with the auto scaling group in AWS, so you can use Terraform taint to do it. And it's really to use the Terraform taint because we avoid to modify the Terraform taint as much as possible. Okay, so you can see that I finished create my EC2 instance, so I can check it here, and I will show the state list. So we can see on the identifier of my resources. Okay, so this image, and I can see one EC2 instance. Okay, yes. So what's the EC2 instance IDs? We will check. Is it okay, you can see the Terraform state of this EC2 instance, and it's this AMI ID, and this is about instance ID. So this is mask. Okay, it's mask. So right now I will try to stand these resources. Okay, so we will review the syntax. Okay, we will not have stay because we will input the identifier of this resource. Okay, so what happened in the Terraform state? And you can see from here. Yes, you can see. So when we review the state for the EC2 instance, it will have the attribute status. So when you try to blame or apply, it will show that it needs to replace this resource. Okay, so you can see that this will force us to replay it. Okay, try to apply. Okay, it will take a little time, so I will skip some seconds for you. Okay, come back, and you can see that we have destroyed our EC2 instance, and we have already provisioned the new ones to replace it. So when you come back to the AWS console, you will see another different EC2 instance ID. Okay. You can see it's masked. So when we review another again about status, you can see that the attribute status then gone. And if we play again, it will show no change. So I think you can understand now what is the Terraform stand and how to use it. Okay, goodbye. Thank you.